The Red First is an affliction harrowing the Blood Angels chapter of the Adeptus Astartes. From the genotype of their Primarch, Sanguinius, the 9th Legion from their inception would harbour a dormant affliction. For every Astartes cursed with the vampiric thirst for blood, all whom would succumb to their Red First would devolve into rabid killers. Driven to gorge on the blood of their still-living enemies, these pallid wraiths of their former noble selves would be put down by their Primarch as an act of mercy. For the Legion's initial centuries, the condition would be rare within the 9th. Yet as the Great Crusade drew to a close, the Red First hold of the Blood Angels would grow ever stronger. Hiding the truth from his brother Primarchs, and even the Emperor of Mankind, Sanguinius would protect his Gene Sons from the scrutiny of the wider Imperium. In battle, the first within the Angels would build, the spilling of the blood of their enemies further exacerbating their anger and provoking their resultant loss of control. The genetic flaw of the First has been passed down to every successor chapter of the 9th Legion, such as the Flesh Tearers, Angels Sanguine, and Lamenters. Their elongated teeth and pale skin craving the relief of blood. The Sons of Sanguinius follow in their Primarch's example of restraining their inner yearning for fury and bloodlust. For it is by no means rare for civilians of distant worlds to go missing, only to be found, days later, drained of blood at the hands of the Sons of the Angel.